नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ जीवन डॉक्टर मोनिका त्रिवेदी and today's lecture's topics is pi bonding in MO theory. So the pi bonding also exists for the tetrahedral and square planar complexes. The MO treatment for those systems is very similar with octahedral system. First, there are four possibilities of ligand and metal pi interaction. First is p pi d pi, second is d pi p pi, third is pi star d pi, fourth is sigma star d pi. So the p pi d pi interaction involves the ligand to metal pi donation, while the other three are metal to ligand pi donation. The pi bond will involve the T2G set, not EG star. This is because the EG star orbital point directly at the ligands and are set up from the sigma overlay. The direction of the electron denoted and the energy level of the ligand pi bonding orbital will have the prominence effect on the molecule. So in this topic we have to discuss about the mx6n minus complex. Okay, for this kind of complex, the halide p orbital are lower in energy than the metal d orbital, and they are filled, while the metal d orbital may or may not be contain electron. So thus in this diagram you can see that T2G and EG electrons and orbitals here, and there is a 6 electrons in a T2G and 1 electron in T2G star. Only the T2G orbital will participate in the bonding. Now this T2G orbital combines with the T2G orbitals of the metal. Okay, and so when the MOs forms from the ligand p electrons which is filled by the T2G orbitals, thus the metal T2G electron go into the T2G star MOs. The result of this type of interaction is a small del O. Okay, the second is example is including in this type of the MCO6. The CO pi star orbital are empty and are high in energy. So the energy you can see in this diagram, the T2G and EG, the energy of T2G star is very high, so the electron can't jump over there. Since the COPI orbital are empty, the T2G MO is filled with the metal T2G electron, and promotion is there then the relatively high in energy process. This diagram explains that the relative placements of the halide and the Cn negative and CO in the spectrochemical series. In the electrostatic model, the reverse result will expected. So how you can evidence the pi bond? So to identify the pi bond working of we can look about the pi bonding also. So the metal to ligand interaction appears into the metal double bond ligand. Since the bonding pi bond, okay, so since the bonding between the metal and the ligand changes between the those form the bonding, while the ligand must be changed. So if the electron density of the feed into the pi or a sigma orbital on the metal, a bond within the ligand will be weak. Okay, and the strongest evidence for the pi bonding comes from the metal carbonyl complexes. Like a crystallography, the greater the extent of the pi bond back bonding. Okay, so in this kind of compound, the metal double bond carbon character, there will be the more of the carbon oxygen triple bond. Okay, the difference in carbon triple bond oxygen and carbon double bond oxygen is the length is about 0.1 angstrom and should be unstable. Okay, so the unfortunately it has not been observed in the context of the metal carbon bond length do not changes. So the chromium and carbon bond length should be the same. Okay, so thus the chromium has more electron density to with a very poor pi electron acceptor. So the electron density from the metal is not share for the acceptors. So the chromium CO bond trans to the PR3 should be the shorter than those of the cis isomers. This is because the trans CO will be bind to the same d orbital as the PR3 and the effect will be greater there. So if we talk about the infrared spectroscopy of this kind of molecule, the evidence that the C double bond O character is the most clearly seen in the IR spectroscopy. The CO for the wavelength for the CO for the C triple bond O is about 2150 centimeter inverse, while the R2 C double bond O the wavelength is the 1700 centimeter inverse. Thus, the greater two series of the compound like metal CO6 and plus minus and MCO4 and plus minus. Thus, it can also be seen that when the CO is substituted by the another ligand as already discussed in crystallography, the only problem with the using this technique is to the CO stretching band is almost away split into the several compounds and making difficulty to interpretation. So this is all about the d pi p pi bonding in a metal orbitals. Thank you very much.